Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Millionaire from Scratch. I'm Paul Wayne, and in this video we will take a look on how I take financial advice from my financial advisor and how I pick coins that are going to 10x, 20x, 32x in the future. Let's start. Alright, so first of all we are going to start with a few news on the market cap. So as you can see, the market is kind of bleeding. In the last 24 hours it is bleeding. Most of it. Yeah, it is bleeding. But in the 7 days it's still up. What is happening right now is a correction. It might be a correction, it might not. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not a crypto expert. I'm just a monkey on YouTube trying to make money. Alright? So the way I take financial decisions is by going to my financial advisor, giving her two options and saying, look, I'm going to put a lot of cheese on this one and a little bit of cheese on this one. This is high risk, this is low risk. Choose one. I know it's hard to explain, but that's why I recorded a video. Watch this. Make your choice. So as you can see, my financial advisor told me to buy SRK, Spark Point. So this is what I did. I bought SRK here. And the price went up. Now it is up 23%, but it was 40% up here. Not 40%, 39 something, close to 40% anyway. Which is mind-blowing. Because it was like a gamble and I invested $100. But I took a look at the project and I want to put another 530 in it because I can really see at least 10x potential because the market cap is really low. We have amazing projects coming up. They are buying tokens back and they are burning them, and they are also getting promoted by big influencers in the crypto industry, which is another reason why you should watch the news in crypto, not the news on TV, because the news on TV are useless, most of them, and they're just destroying your subconscious mind. Anyway, so let's take a look on their site to see what I spend money on and what I will spend more money on because of my financial advisor. So let me go to the apps. So they have Spark Play and they're paying the players, the gamers, to play their games, which is amazing. They have Spark Learn, Spark Point Wallet, and Spark DeFi, where you can stack and in the future lend Spark Point. Alright, so as you can see here, it's better explained. Remember, I'm not a crypto expert, I'm more gambling right here. By the way, I bought it on KuCoin, and if you want to learn more about KuCoin, you can just join on the link in the description. Alright, it's an affiliate link, by the way, I have to be honest with you. Alright, here's the roadmap. Let's take a look at the roadmap. Alright, so 2021, we are in Q1. Oh, by the way, this coin, as you can see here, is not even released on Binance or Coinbase. The only platform is KuCoin. Damn. Alright, so in Q2, we are going to have a major update for Spark Wallet releasing on iOS. Spark DeFi, alright. Buyback and burn, nice. Spark Play game announcement. Partnership announcement, Spark Learn blockchain development, team expansion. The boys are prepared. What can I say? My financial advisor is a genius. Alright. Fed shift, everything here. Alright, so coming up in March, I believe, the official release of the second Spark DeFi, the third Spark DeFi app, the app is, oh, this one is the beta release, listing of a second tier exchange, and fourth buyback. Alright, so I believe is the best choice that I could make. Remember, don't replicate this. Don't buy Spark Point just because my dog told me. Don't do it. Alright, this is high risk, high reward, but keep in mind that a dog made the choice, not me, a dog. And on the other sticky note, it was StoreMax. Which I found recently that more StoreMax was bought by Nike and Adidas, which is mind-blowing also. Oh. Damn. It tripled. Alright. Alright. That's nice. So, let me check. No. The biggest return was on SparkPoint. Right. Remember, don't replicate this trade because it was made by a dog. I can't stretch it enough. So, whenever you want to invest, don't invest with a dog. Don't take advice from a dog. Do your own research. Just remember the word Dior. Do your own research. Alright. So if you're curious how this trade will go on, how much money I'll make based on my dog's financial decision, make sure to subscribe, notifications bell on, and also if you want to learn more about crypto, make sure to check these two videos because they are really helpful. Alright, I'm Paul Wayne and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.